Most developers know var, let, and const, but very few understand why JavaScript needs all three. If they all create variables, why didn't JavaScript just keep one? Back in 1995, JavaScript had only one way to declare var variables, and it was var. As JavaScript applications grew, developers started noticing something strange. var could escape the block where it was created. JavaScript needed a safer way to declare variables. That's why ES6 introduced let. And then came const. Most people think const means the value can never change, but that's not actually true. So when should you use each one? The answer is actually very simple. Here's the rule every modern JavaScript developer follows. Use const by default, use let only when the value needs to change, and avoid var in new